Hello and welcome to my Homebrew ham radio site. My name is Bob. I'm located near Athens, Georgia. My ham radio call letters are Kilo Quebec 2 Quebec KQ2Q, and I've been licensed for just about 45 years. Today's project will involve replacing the analog dial on a Drake R4B receiver that I received from a good friend in Birmingham, Alabama, Jack KE4ID. Had this radio, and I think he had intentions of converting it to a digital display, and well, I've got it now. I've got a picture coming up of the Drake. You can take a look at it. So far what I've done is I built a prototype for the dial, and I have a picture of that coming up also. Basically that's the IK3 OIL digital dial using a PIC 16F as in Frank 84 chip, and that worked out real well. I've changed my mind and I've gone to something different, the N3ZI digital counter dial, for a couple reasons. The N3ZI has more software in it. You can set more offsets, maybe a little bit more accurate. It's a commercial board, and I think overall there'd be a benefit to going with that. So that's what I'm going to describe in the upcoming video and videos, and hope you enjoy it. This is the Drake R4B receiver. You can see the red window in the upper right hand corner. That's normally where the rotary dial would be. That entire mechanism has been removed by others, and the knob still works the PTO, which is good. The receiver is functional, just need a good display to go with it. This is my prototype board. It's a copy of the IK3 OIL digital dial frequency counter. It has some built-in offsets. It's got a lot of good features. It's a one-line type display, and it's very basic, and it does exactly what needs to be done. It's using the PIC 16F as in Foxtrot 84 CPU chip, and it interfaces with the standard HD 44780 display. This is the component side of the N3ZI board. It's set up for two different types of liquid crystal displays, a serial and parallel type, and we'll be using the bottom row of connectors. That's the HD 44780. To the left of center is the microprocessor, and then vertically where it says U2, that is the prescaler. And the components to the right are power supply and RF preamp. This is the back of the board. You can see there's a lot of room for soldering, and it's not too cramped. It's not using any of the newer surface-mounted devices. It's all point-to-point part insertion, so this should be a good one to build. And the parts. The parts look like very, very high quality parts, and very pleased with what I see here. Note that I have two kits, so there may appear to be extra parts. And I did almost forget the chips. There are two sets of chips there. I have two projects, and one of them is a AT Tiny 84 processor, and the other is 74 Hotel Charlie 161/3 Prescaler. I hope to get this together in the next couple of days. In part 2, we'll check it out, put an RF generator on it, we'll play with the offsets, and we'll get into an explanation of how it works and what some of the chips and features do. If you like the video, please subscribe. Looking forward to making more. Thank you.